Who knew bird watching would become our favorite mom and toddler bonding time? We have been using Pennington's new feeding frenzy suet cakes and bird seed, and let me tell you, it's been such a fun, easy way to connect with nature right in our backyard. Packed with high quality ingredients and nutritional fats, these suet cakes attracts the most colorful little visitors. We have already spotted cardinals and finches, and my toddler's been loving learning their names. The setup takes minutes with Pennington's feeder, and you can grab it all at Walmart. If you have been looking for a screen-free hobby that's actually joyful, I guess this is it.